Alright, I'm back. I don't know if y'all can see me pretty good, but I think you can. I'm still gonna post it. What I did, yeah, put it back together, pretty much. Probably need a close up, but I'll give you a close up when I get a little better at it. Till then, I'm just doing what I can do. Putting it like control on, make sure it's down on the spindle. Put the nut on, tighten it up. That's what I'm doing. Just watch, you know. Then I'll probably let you get a close up or whatever. 3, 4, same shit. Yeah. Been wrestling with this thing all day. All day. I'm wrapping it up now though. Yeah. You have to watch my other video to kind of get a better view. But it's working though. It'll take some time. Simple hand tools. None of that air impact. None of that. What the hell was that? Now you can hear weird noise. I'm hearing something. I'm hearing something. I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is. Yeah, put it back together. Damn. There's some stretch work. Let me see my phone. Oh, okay. It's still going. I done put the nut on the spindle. I got the spring up in there with the caliber and all that stuff's on there. You see it? I do a close up and I get a little more work on it. But, yeah. Now I'm about to put the stabilizer bar on, which is probably a whole goddamn headache. I gotta buy some more shocks, so I'm gonna wait to do that. So I'm just gonna, put it back together. I put the shocks on later, whatever. Yeah. I can let it down now so it gets up. Trusty old block. Probably ain't safe, but I've been using it. Man. stabilizer bar on here. What is on there? What's on there? Let's see. I can see you taking it loose. Then try putting it on there. That might work. I'm gonna try that. Some drop. Some drop. Some drop. That's not quite what I had in mind. I think this is on now. This going on now. Where's the net for this? Okay, I see it. I'm not sure how this is going to play out. Not sure how this is going to play out. This is gonna work. Alright, we got that bottom piece on now, so you gotta screw it up to the top. Might be a little challenging. I'm not sure. It might. Oh, you want to use best safety if you can. This is my safety support. Then I got the jack right up under it, just in case. You never know. Then I got a tie in front of it. Got a tie, that, and a jack. Even though I'm sitting on the jack though. One of them go catch it. One of them is gonna catch it. Hopefully. Yep, got that on there now. Gotta tighten everything down. Yeah, I don't know how good this video is, but hey, I'm working with it. I'll keep messing with it till I figure it out. I got other videos too. So, you don't like them, check one of those out. This video right here, it ain't just me talking pretty much. Doing a little work. Martin Luther King Day. I'll upload it. This is my Monte Carlo, just in case y'all missed it. It's 87, 5.3. Yep, LS swap. Carbureted LS swap. Made it easy. Did all the work myself. I'm gonna show you in a minute. Just keep watching. Tighten everything up. Man, that's something good. It's tight, but we're gonna make sure it's tight. Make sure it's tight. I don't want nothing to come out. Man, that man, good. Alright, check that out. What I did, I was replacing, man, you can't even see it, it's dark. Let's see, can I get some light up in there? Yeah, something like that. I changed the spring out. I put a lifter cup on it. There's a lifter cup on top of the spring. I gotta take the spring compressor out and go buy some more shocks, cause my shocks are gone. So I'm gonna buy some shocks and, you know, put them back in, throw them in real quick, and then I'll probably do a little walk around on the whole car. Yeah, you see it, 5'3". It ain't gonna sit up this tall, but it gonna sit up damn near close. Let me see, let me give you a kind of glimpse. It's kind of leaning though. Yeah. See, this side is through. That's pretty much how tall it's gonna be. Something like that. It's gonna sit up pretty good. Yeah, it's leaning, but you know, that's because I got jacked up. But anyway, let me get through, then I'll, you know, cut it back on, do a little walk around on my way through. All right.